If you're having trouble parting with your things or accumulating too many things, then follow along for 10 minimalist rules you can follow to declutter and stay decluttered. Let's jump in. Number 1, 2020 rule. Ask yourself, if I can replace this in 20 minutes for $20 or less, would I do it? Basically, you're asking if the item is special enough that you need another one ASAP. Chances are you probably wouldn't go out of your way to replace it because it's too much of a hassle. Number 2, the one touch rule. Handle things once. When you pick something up, physical or digital, deal with it immediately. Put it away, respond, file, toss. Avoid the clutter of postponed decisions. I love this one because the problem with messes isn't so much because we're messy, it's because we postpone tasks and let tasks pile up. Number 3, Project 333. Basically, you only have 33 pieces of clothing, including coats, that you commit to wearing those 33 items for 3 months. This way, you're more likely to take better care of your clothes. You're dressing for your present body shape and not in the future, and you don't have to think about what to wear. I definitely want to try this challenge. I think I can do it. We'll see. Number 4, the container rule. Treat your whole space like containers. Decide how much room an item or category gets, whether it's one bookshelf for books, one drawer for kitchen tools. If it doesn't fit in that designated category, something has to go. And you don't go out and get a bigger container just to fit those items. Use what you already have. The only exception is if you actually use all of those items frequently. Number 5, 90-90. Ask yourself, have I used this item in the last 90 days or do I know for sure I'll use it in the next 90 days? If the answer is no, it's time to say goodbye. And no, for all of the rule benders out there, using the item after asking yourself this question to satisfy this rule so you can keep the item does not count. Because I've done this before. 6, spontaneous combustion. This is a simple rule. Ask yourself, if this item were to spontaneously combust, would I be sad and would I want to get another one? If the answer is no, maybe think about parting ways with it. Number 7, wait for it rule. This rule is pretty self-explanatory to stop impulse buys. Give yourself a time frame, whether that's 1 week or 1 month, to wait before buying something. You'd be surprised how by the end of that waiting period, you no longer want that thing. After all, you've lived without it for so long. 8, use it or lose it rule. If you're not using the item, let it go either by giving it away to someone who will use it or throwing it out to declutter your space. This also applies to things we label as only for special occasions, which I am guilty of. Some of us will even go as far as not use the items at all because they're too special. Number 9, moving on to the one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring in, clothes, tools, gadgets, remove one item. This keeps your space balanced, decluttered, and intentional. By following this rule, you avoid having duplicates of things and having items you don't use, which ultimately creates clutter. I have mostly implemented this rule with clothes to keep my capsule wardrobe nice and tidy. And 10, the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. This rule is good for not only decluttering, but also for future purchases. Start by identifying the 20% of things you use the most and let go of 80% of the items you don't use or rarely use to free up your space, reduce stress, and make finding the items you use most easy. And those are 10 minimalist rules to help you declutter and stay decluttered. Comment down below which ones you've tried and which one is the golden rule in your home. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. Good luck.